producers of the BBC series have acknowledged the difficult storylines featured in the show with an Instagram post that depicted light-hearted moments from behind the scenes of Call the Midwife. Show bosses pinned a tribute to the cast as they explained how filming scenes can be emotional. The 11th series of Call the Midwife has just wrapped up, and once again viewers were left feeling tearful. Amid several other emotional plots, the series concluded with a tragedy, a huge train crash in Poplar. Many favorite characters from the show were involved in the disaster but, thankfully, the show's staples survived despite viewers predicting the deaths of Dr. Turner, Stephen McGann, and Sister Julian, Jenny Agutter. Taking to the program's official Instagram account, bosses shared some sweet photos of the cast last week. In a collage of joyful behind-camera moments, bosses shared with their 111,000 followers how they find the light. The caption read, "Call the Midwife Series 11, Finding the Light." As we wind down on Series 11, we've been looking back over our behind-the-scenes photo collection, and noticing just how much fun our cast have when not actually filming. Call the Midwife feels like one big family while filming, but over the course of the filming year, that family has a lot of very emotional and difficult scenes to do. The message candidly explained further, "This, we think, brings us that bit closer together, but it also adds to the giggling. There's a lot that's stark and moving about the work we do, so the secret is to find the light when we connect." Fans were pleased to hear the popular series has been renewed for at least another 2 seasons. Back in April 2021, the BBC announced the show would run until 2024 at the earliest. Series 12 and 13 will each be comprised of 8 one-hour episodes as usual. As well as this, the highly anticipated Christmas specials will also continue. Creator Heidi Thomas said at the time of the announcement, "It's an incredible privilege to be able to look back on a decade of Call the Midwife, and yet know that our journey is still very far from over. We are thrilled to be going on for a few more years. Like Nonada's house itself, we have a proud past but an even more exciting future, full of old favorites, fresh faces, higher hemlines, new ideas. The stories we tell are like babies, they never stop coming, we love them all, and we vow to do our best by every single one." Fans are anticipating more emotion-packed moments in the upcoming series, as well as the show's iconic uplifting scenes. Call the Midwife is available to watch on BBC iPlayer.